So if you're using ChatGPT or ChatGPT Codex and your usage limit is approaching 0, but you still need to do some work using the AI model, then you can actually reset the usage limit on your account. So this is actually a brand new addition into the platform, and this is something that you can access in the ChatGPT desktop or Codex app, and also the web version of ChatGPT. I also heard that this option is available in the mobile version, although right now I don't see the option to actually do that. So for now, I'm going to show you how you can reset your usage limit on ChatGPT, but I'll just do it via the desktop version. So if you're using the web version, you can click on your profile picture and then go to settings. Oh, sorry about that. Just go to settings and then click on usage and just wait for it. And right here, I do have another usage limit available. I can open it and then I can click use reset. And if you're using the desktop app version or Codex of ChatGPT, just open the program, click on your profile picture again, go to usage remaining, and then as you can see, I got one available reset. I can open it and then I can click use reset. So let me just try this option. I will click this button. Okay, confirm. Okay, couldn't reset. Please try again. I'm going to try it again. Okay, just wait. And perhaps there you go. So it's now 100%. Now you might want to refresh your website or refresh the ChatGPT page or reopen the ChatGPT desktop app to actually see the effect. And sometimes it might take several minutes to see the effect across platforms that you use for ChatGPT. So perhaps let me just check that on the web version. So one caveat here is that this reset is not something that you'll get every month. So as you can see right here, my weekly usage limit is now at 100%. It was 1%, but now it is 100%. Nice. And I don't have any more usage limit reset available. So this is actually not a feature or not the kind of thing that you can do every month. So originally I thought this is just some rollover credits that you don't use, but no, this is actually just some, apology or marketing tactic from ChatGPT, and you won't see that every month. So maybe from time to time we will see that, but there's no guarantee that we will get this free bonus, free reset for usage limits every month. So if you have access, if you have the option to actually do the reset, do it. Otherwise, you would lose it. So if you don't use it, you would lose it. So remember that if you have the option to actually use this feature. But anyway, I hope this video helps you. And if that was the case, then you can subscribe to this channel and I'll see you on my next video.